Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to DevOps Motivation YouTube channel. So in today's topic, we'll see about GitLab pipelines. So for CI/CD, which is an important topic in DevOps, there are multiple tools in the market that can accomplish this. Some famous tools are Jenkins, GitLab, and GitHub. And in today's topic, we'll focus on GitLab. So GitLab, they are providing the CI/CD feature, and we can enable it by creating a file called .gitlab-ci.yaml. So if we check this file, so this is a simple YAML file. And if we go to each of the stages, so the stages are defined in the first block. So we are giving build, test, and deploy. And in case of any variables that are need to be utilized inside the job, we can use this. And there is an block called before script, like even before executing the stages, this can act as a prerequisite script that can be executed. And there are like different stages which can be defined inside this file. So once this file is defined, and as soon as we commit this file in the repository, a pipeline will be triggered. So here there is a green check mark. If we click on that, it will take us to the pipeline page. Or if we want to navigate it, you can go to the left pane, click on build, and then pipelines. So here we can see like whatever we have defined it in the GitLab CI YAML file, we can see the 3 stages and the respective jobs that are part of the stages. And also it is mentioning like what is the runtime for the entire pipeline to complete. So this is how this is the method with which we can create a GitLab CI YAML file as well as trigger the pipeline. So say for example, if you are having a complex project and if you want to like build a Docker image, so we can specify the commands inside the script for building the Docker image. And in case like any testing that needs to be done against the image, we can execute the scripts here. And finally, we can deploy that particular Docker image into Kubernetes. So that's the real world example on which the GitLab CI/CD can work on. So yeah, this is about GitLab CI/CD. You can try it out by creating a free account in gitlab.com and then committing this particular file and giving it a run. I'll post the steps that are required in the description of this video. You can check it out. And if you like my content, just hit on that subscribe button and also enable the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you and have a good day.